Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with Used on Hoarders stash number 23 and I made a smiley shaker card. Yay! Look at it. I love it. For that I used this smiley. They're all attached, so you have to die cut them all. Or partial die cut. It's Marianne Design CR1508 if you're interested. And they make the cutest smileys. I did them from yellow, because I think smileys should be yellow. And I also die cut my circle already. And that's just showing you here that on white they don't show up that well. So it's a black card. It's maybe manly, don't know. I like it, but yeah. The circles are stitch circles from Marianne Design also, but there's different brands on the market, of course. And I used black foam tape. Last week I used foam tape. Now I'm using craft foam, which is narrower and longer than the card panel. It's a bit of a shame. It has sticky tape on one side but not on the other, which is also a shame. And I could put double-sided tape all over here, but I didn't. I thought I need a wiggle room, but yeah, with that doesn't even work with double-sided tape, does it? So I'm tracing the opening and then I'm cutting a little around the circle. And you could die cut this, but sometimes foam tends to stretch in your machine or under the pressure of the machine. So I'm just checking if it's hiding everything. And I thought I had it, but I think I might have stuck it on differently than I cut it because I have to readjust later. And that's fine. I mean, it's just craft foam. And as I'm using double-sided tape on this side, then I will put my mica on. And look, these are my scraps, by the way. I put it on, as if I don't know that this is mica, but it helps sometimes. Just don't ask. Anyway, I have to peel off this stuff, and I will do that off camera because it took me a while. I don't have nails, so I tend to use a needle or something sharp, craft pick, something like that, to peel up the tape in the end. But I always try with my nails first, and they never work. So I should know now. A bit more tape on this side because I'm covering it with the acetate or mica, and then the others are still sticky, so I can just pop this on top. And I'm looking at the opening and not at the top, which is stupid because I only noticed it after I finished the card. There's a little bit sticking out, which I'm going to try to fix later, but I don't want to ruin it. So the good thing about this is that the sides are not sticky, so nothing will stick to that, but the acetate is very statically, so I'm trying to do a powder tool and then clean it up. I'm not sure that worked. It takes a few days to discharge. So because I die cut these, they have a good side, let's say, and the back. So I'm making sure I put them all the right way up towards the plastic. And I said I die cut this series 3 times, and just because I did, I put them all in, but maybe 2 would have been enough, or 2.5, because they are a little bit crowded in my shaker. And yeah, they do move around if you give them a good tapping, so they are not layered on top of each other anymore. But I like a good filled shaker card, I have to admit. It seems a bit more generous. So this is the backing, which I don't need completely. I'm just putting it here. I think that's easier. And then I'm putting on my card base. And I left out white actually, so you can still write on it, but the rest is black. See, here's my needle. Much easier. I didn't notice that the craft foam was sticking out, and I'm not sure if I can fix it without having to destroy it. Maybe I'll just leave it as is. I don't know yet. And my card base is also a little bit crooked, so I will cut that off on camera while I die cut another version of this. I did this from white because I thought that wouldn't stick out nice on the black. but it's also really weird with all the black and yellow. So I decided to die cut it again from the same yellow as I did the smiley faces, and that looks much nicer. I'm sorry about the glare, that's my working light. And this smile is from Sugar Pea Designs, the Polaroid journal card. Polaroid journal card. And you can use anything that you have. Of course, I like this font. You can use thanks, happy birthday, hello, whatever. But because smiley faces smile, they just make sense in my head, you know, sometimes. And here I'm just cleaning up the die cut a little bit. You see that you can, oh yeah, I'm not holding it still enough, but there's a little bit sticking out at the top that I have to fix somehow. But thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye!